This is Pluto, the planet of renewal, rebirth, and expansive transformation.
Pluto is connected to renewal and rebirth, helping something stronger rise after deep change.
Pluto represents endings and new beginnings. It clears what is complete so a new path can open.
The house Pluto is in can show where you will reinvent yourself.
Pluto tells the truth, even when the truth is not easy to see. Pluto can bring collective challenges that ask people to grow and transform together.
When Pluto is expressed in a difficult way, it can show obsession, power struggles, control, and destruction.
Pluto asks for a lifelong investigation into truth, motivation, thoughts, secrets, and inner philosophy.
Pluto's growth can lead people back to their rewards in Jupiter.
Pluto reveals hidden truth, clears the old, and helps people transform into a more powerful version of themselves.